glad you decided to join us today for another First Taste with Hope video. This series we are focusing on favorite foods of mine. This one I actually have not made this recipe before, but it is one of my favorite foods, which is cake. Cake is one of my favorite desserts of all time, and for this video I decided we'd make a popular cake that a lot of you may be aware of called Matilda's chocolate cake. It's a 3-layer chocolate cake. I have never seen this movie. I know nothing about the movie. I just decided that looks delicious, so let's make that cake that everyone's talking about. Therefore, in this video, we are gonna be trying out Matilda's 3-layer chocolate cake. So let's get started, everyone. What we're going to start with is we're gonna start with the Devil's Food cake mix. You're gonna break this bad boy up and we're gonna put it in the bowl. Whoop, there it goes. Oh, this went all over. Oh god! Rolling for scissors.
Yeah, don't have to literally go everywhere.
Yup. We're getting it, we're getting it. Mayday, we're getting off Devil's Food. Awesome. Then we're gonna put some pudding mix in. Jello, chocolate pudding mix. That's what you're gonna be putting in next.
Jello, more like hello.
Jello, hello, who are you? The next is you're gonna need half a cup of water. And then you're gonna need a cup of Greek yogurt. Chobani. I chose Chobani. You know why? Because Walmart didn't have any other good brands. So Chobani, you get my vote because Chobani is delicious. Okay, we're gonna need a cup of this. Oof, sorry, I didn't know how light it was. All right. Yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good.
Yeah.
Oof, sorry. That splooshed a little bit. Tastes good though.
Does it taste Greek?
It tastes Greek.
Yogurty.
And then you're gonna need 4 eggs. One egg. 2 eggs. Alrighty, my friends, so we have all the ingredients here. Got the 4 eggs, the Greek yogurt, got the pudding mix, the water, everything's looking great. Now we're just gonna mix it all together. What we're doing, we have the cake mixed together, and now what I am doing is I am oiling the pan. Now you can use pan spray if you'd like to make it easier on yourself, but I'm choosing to do this because I want to ensure that the cake will not stick to the pan since it's going to be a layered cake. I just have this fear that if I use the spray alone, it might not work because that has happened before. So I'm just going to ensure that Crisco will do its job and will give me a pan that doesn't, a cake that doesn't stick to the pan. And we have our oven set at 350. That is what we're going to need it at in order to do this. You're gonna do both of them for 40 minutes. And then once that 40 minutes is done, you'll let them cool. So that's how that's operating. Okay, so we have the flour on the pan, and the way this works is you want your pan to be floured. This ensures that your cake won't be sticking. Sorry, there's a lot of twists and turns, but I'm just...
It's like an M. Night Shyamalan movie.
I'm trying to show. It just needs to go around. You gotta just do your best to get it to coat your pan. As you can see. I'm getting it where I can. I put about a tablespoon in each of these pans.
That's what she said. That's what she said.
Okay, here is our mixture. We're going to take it and we're going to put it in these pans and get it all spread out. Okay, pals, we have our cakes. They are put into the pans. They're on a thin layer, of course. They don't have the oil. They don't got the stuff that you normally put in a cake mix. These are the way you do Matilda's cakes. So we're gonna put them in the oven for 40 minutes, and that's gonna be that. Okay, everybody, so we are making the ganache. The ganache is gonna go over the cake as the frosting. We have the heavy cream. It's about 2 cups of heavy cream, or a pint. And then you're gonna need 24 ounces of chocolate chips. Now, we didn't actually buy 24 ounces. Apparently, I thought I grabbed a 24-ounce bag, but I did not. So instead, we're using chocolate dibs as well. So that's what we're doing, is we're mixing it all together to form that. And then after we get that at its spot, we're supposed to let it cool for a little bit. And then we will apply it to the cake layers. We have here Matilda's chocolate cake. It's 2-layered, not 3, and it looks heavenly and also smells like pure hatred. No, I'm kidding. It really does smell sweet and it looks good. It is a different size at the top, as you can see. I had to make do with what I had, as you know. And other than that, the frosting, or the ganache, turned out really well. It just smells super rich. I can tell this will be a rich cake. So we're gonna revisit this as soon as we're trying this tomorrow and see what we think about the taste. But thank you so much for tuning in to this First Taste with Hope video. And I will see you guys next time on another First Taste with Hope. Hello friends, so here is the cake, the one that we've all been waiting for. I'm going to do the taste test, of course, and this is a little bit overdue, but I'm doing the taste test to where you get the full experience of the Matilda cake we tried to make. As you can see, there are layers in here and it looks amazing. I cannot believe how well this cake turned out. And here is the good taste test. What a cake. Cake is one of my favorite foods, and honestly this is an amazing cake. This wasn't as hard as I expected it to be. The layers were a little wonky because I used different size cake pans, but if you're in the mood for some good chocolate cake, I definitely recommend this and go try it out for yourself.